Welcome to Colourful Keys Quick Clip number 29. If you don't know me, my name is Nicola Canton and I run the blog Colourful Keys and the membership site at vibrantmusicteaching.com, where you can get tons of games and other fun printables for an amazingly low price. In this quick clip, you're going to see my student and I working with Solfa. So we're working on identifying different pitches, very simply just starting with Do, Re, Mi. I play Do, Re, Mi, and then I play Do, Re, or Mi. So for example, I might play C, D, E, and then I either play C, D, or E, and they need to tell me which one I play, Do, Re, or Mi. It's a very simple activity, variations that I do on this. I have them sing it back to me, I have them sit for Do, kneel for Re, and stand up for Mi, different actions to correspond with the different solfa, anything to get them up and moving and get those wriggles out at the same time as working on ear training. We've been making a real effort in my studio to work more on ear training, and it's really paying off, and it's a super fun brain break as well. So if you feel like you can't fit it in, just wedge it in between repetitions of a piece that have to be done, but the student's concentration is lagging. Get them up, do a bit of ear training, and then get back to the bench. It really does work wonders, and it'll actually save you time. So I hope you enjoy watching this quick clip. If you do, make sure to subscribe and let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think. I'll play the three of them again, and then I'll play one of them. Tell me which one it is. Was that Do, Re, or Mi?
Re.
Re. What about this one? Listen again.
Mi.
Okay, and this one?
Do.
Listen to that example again.
Re.
Re. One more time.
Do.